Okay, first of all we are going to use the bacterial suspension and we are going to take one cover slip. This is hanging drop preparation practical. Here we are going to check the motility of bacteria. Bacteria are motile because of their flagella present. Flagella may be found on different places in different bacterial species. You can see very nicely. This is the cavity slide, which is having cavity in the middle part of the slide. Now we will take the cover slip. With the help of nichrome wire, we will take some material, that is only one single drop from this, and we will keep this drop on cover slip. Okay. Now after doing this, we will keep here on 4 places over the cavity grease. Okay, this will be our grease, or you can also use gum or anything which is sticky material. Okay. Now what is our purpose? To stick the cover slip on the cavity slide. Okay. Now you have to invert the cavity slide, and then after you will going to place it directly on this cover slip. Okay. Cover slip is not to be attached on the slide, but slide is then made inverted, and then after it is to be kept on the cover slip. Okay. So now cover slip is already attached to the slide, and now you can again make it make it inverted. So what will be the picture then after? The picture will be like this. Okay. This is our cover slip already attached, and in the cover slip there will be our bacterial suspension. Okay. So if you see it from the side view, you will see like this. This is the side view of our slide. Okay. So here you can see this is our cavity. This is our cover slip already placed on it. And here our water drop is in the hanging position. Our water drop is in the hanging position like this. Okay, it will not going to touch the cavity, surface of the cavity, but it is in the hanging position. So this is the hanging drop, and that is why it is called hanging drop preparation. Now after doing this, we are going to do microscopy. We are going to use the low power lens, that is 10x. First of all, we will mount the cavity slide in the microscope, and then after we will try to see the drop of the bacterial suspension. After that, we are going to use 45, that is high power lens, and then after we are going to see the entire drop, and inside the entire drop we are going to see the motility. Now bacteria are motile, they will be illuminating, means they will be colorless, and they are moving here and there. Okay, on the periphery of the drop, okay, on the outer part of the drop, this motility will be noticed in more amount. Okay, in the middle portion the bacteria will not be found very motile. So in this way peripheral region will have motility. Bacteria are going here and there. Okay, they are moving because of the flagella. Now this movement will be properly done for 5 minutes, but after 5 minutes, because of the phototaxis, the bacteria will be non-motile. So we have to see the slide of hanging drop preparation within 5 minutes. Okay, so this is the observation, this is the result of our hanging drop preparation, in which we are able to see motile bacteria which are moving very fast on the peripheral region of the drop of bacterial suspension when we have done the microscopy. Okay, so that is all. Thank you very much.